How to watch multiple games on NFL Sunday Ticket. Now, take note before we proceed. This specific feature going to work only if you're using a smart television or any kinds of streaming devices and cast it over to your television. But if you're going to be using it via an application using your mobile device, it's not going to work. So first things first is open up your streaming app where you prefer to watch NFL Sunday Ticket, say for example directly on YouTube TV. So whenever you choose on a certain game on NFL Sunday Ticket, it will automatically detect if you're currently subscribed to NFL Sunday Ticket. Multiview will always be the very first option. Simply tap on multiview and you will be redirected to use that feature. That is it. That's how you watch multiple games on NFL Sunday Ticket.